New at 4:30, members of the House of Representatives are poised to vote on a bill that will protect same-sex and interracial marriages.
And at least 17 Democratic members of the House were arrested during an abortion rights protest in front of the U.S. Supreme Court. Natalie Brand reports from Washington.
That's right, Jim and Dana. And those arrests or detainments include Chicago Congresswoman Jan Schakowsky, who was part of that group of 17 members. House Democrats are trying to also raise awareness about other rights that they believe could be at risk. Meanwhile, House Republicans who took to the floor this afternoon in debate argued it's a political stunt. As abortion rights advocates and Democratic lawmakers continue to protest the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, the House is voting on a bill to protect marriage equality out of fear the conservative high court could revisit other landmark decisions.
It simply says each state will recognize the other state's marriages and not deny a person the right to marry based on race, gender, sexual orientation.
Supporters of the Respect for Marriage Act note Justice Clarence Thomas's separate opinion suggested the court should reconsider past precedent, including same-sex marriage and access to contraception. But Republicans say the majority opinion did not go that far.
This bill is simply the latest installment of the Democrats' campaign to delegitimize and attempt to intimidate the United States Supreme Court.
Nearly 1 month since the Supreme Court's decision on abortion, patients and providers say they're navigating new restrictions and experiencing confusion depending on where they live.
Physicians seeing ectopic pregnancies or patients with sepsis or hemorrhage during pregnancy are literally calling hospital attorneys who, in some cases, tell them to wait until there is a higher chance of death before intervening.
During a House committee hearing Tuesday, lawmakers also heard from an OBGYN who opposes abortion.
It means that instead of defaulting to abortion as a Band-Aid for a variety of complex issues, we will now be working to identify innovative solutions for women today, their preborn children, and for future generations.
And while there's been bipartisan support expressed for family planning, House Democrats say they will put Republicans on the record later this week with a vote on guaranteeing access to contraceptive services. That vote is scheduled for Thursday of this week. Meanwhile, a group of Democratic senators is calling for increased investment in Title X family planning programs to also increase access to birth control. Meanwhile, this vote on marriage equality, it is expected to happen soon. We are still waiting for the House to take that up, but again, expected sometime this evening. Jim, Dana.
Natalie Brand on Capitol Hill, thanks so much.